Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect monday.com to Gmail easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Gmail account in your web browser. In another tab, log into your monday.com account. Navigate to the workspace where you want to connect Gmail. Click on the Integrate button located at the top of your board. In the Integrations Center, search for Gmail. Click on the Gmail integration option that appears in the search results. You will see a list of available automations for Gmail. Select the automation that suits your needs, such as creating an item when you receive an email. Click on the Add to Board button to begin the setup process. You will now be prompted to connect your Gmail account. Click on the Connect button to authorize monday.com to access your Gmail. A new window will open asking you to log in to your Google account. Enter your Gmail credentials and click Next. After logging in, you will be asked to allow monday.com access to certain permissions. Review the permissions and click Allow. Once authorized, return to the monday.com integration setup. You will need to configure the specific settings for the automation you selected. Customize the criteria for incoming emails, such as specific senders or subjects. Make sure to select the board and column where new items should be created. Click Done to finalize your integration settings. Your Gmail and monday.com are now connected. Test the integration by sending an email that meets your defined criteria. Check your monday.com board to confirm that a new item has been created. Adjust any settings if necessary to better fit your workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.